Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you. First of all, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment is very important for me. Without your supporting I can't do anything, so please do the comment. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to improve our communication skill when we are alone at your home. First of all, I would like to tell you, when you are alone at your home, so that time you have to have practice a lot. Okay, without practice we can't speak English. Now its question rise, how to have the practice without partner, because I don't have any environment and any person. So how to improve our communication skill? So I want to tell you, when you are alone at your home, so that time you talk with yourself. Okay, don't worry, you don't have any partner. You can speak with yourself. Okay, you create any fake story and then you start with yourself. You start speaking in front of mirror, and there are so many app are available on Play Store you can use. And so after that you can start. If you don't have any partner and any environment, it's okay, you can create environment yourself, because you have capacity, you can create. Actually when I am alone at my home, so that time I talk with myself. Okay, and then I create any fake story and then I speak with myself. That's how I started speaking English. And even I have a application and I use. Even I have learning English, because I don't have any environment in my village. So after that I can try to speak English well, because I want to be perfect in English. Don't worry, don't think any mistake, because when I am trying to speak English in front of other people, so people make the fun. If you don't want to speak in front of other people, you will speak with yourself. Okay, but I know in the village it happens. You can start any city, when you go to market, when you go to shop, when you go to other side, so that time you can start in English. So please have the practice. Without practice we can't speak English. I think maximum times all the learner have a excuse, because I don't have any partner, how to speak English. So I think my according to me, this is a excuse who are making in front of people. I know very well English, but I know people make the fun. So that's why I don't speak English in front of people. This is a your excuse who are making every day. Every person try to speak English. And another thing I have, when I start speaking English, so that times definitely I will make the mistake. Why are you thinking something like this? Because I will make the mistake. Even native speaker make the mistake. So please don't think about any mistake. Only try to speak English. How to now its question rise, how to have the practice without partner? Actually, I have two tips, okay, for improving our communication skill. First one, listening part is very important. When you listen every video in English, definitely you will be improve your communication skill. You will observe every person who speak in English. When you perfect in listening power, so after that you can start speaking. You can start with yourself. Any fake story in your mind, so then speak with yourself, okay? I do something like this when I am alone at my home. So that time I create any fake story and then I speak with myself. Any words comes in my mind and I speak without thinking any mistake. I speak. Actually, I want to be perfect in English. I want to be fluent. So that's why I am trying to speak English something like this. I know very well because I don't have any partner. With who I speak English. I know very well I don't speak with other person. So please try to speak with yourself, okay? When you speak with yourself, definitely you will be increase, and another you will increase your confidence. So please do the practice is very important. Without practice we can't do anything. So that's it, okay? If you want to be perfect in English, so you can use this way. You can try to speak with yourself. So in the end, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.